Hi, my name is Ronald, and I would like to welcome you to my personal space, my YouTube channel. And I have had this channel for quite a while now, but to be honest, I haven't been posting anything. I have a couple of videos up. If you would want, you can check them out. But yeah, they were just basically me going around taking videos. So I ran out of Google storage. So in order to get free storage, if you didn't know, this is actually a bonus tip. You can store your videos on YouTube and make them private. So I was taking a lot of 4K videos, and I was like, I need more space. I need more cloud space because I can't rely on keeping all of my videos on my PC. What if something happens? I need to have them on the cloud somewhere. So YouTube actually allows you to upload in your native resolution, and you don't have to worry about losing your data due to compression. So yeah, there's a way that you can upload to YouTube and keep your videos for future reference, or just to keep a video library for yourself. So that's what I was doing with YouTube. I would go around, take videos, 2 gig 4 gig videos, and then I need somewhere to store them. I'll just upload them to my YouTube channel, and I decided to start editing and posting because since I was already there on YouTube. But yeah, I'm now revamping this channel. My 2025 resolution is to sort of personal brand, showcase what I'm doing as a cloud engineer and various projects that I'm working on. So the first project that I'm going to be looking at is from a customer that I recently had. So this client was looking for a solution for their YouTube channel. They wanted to grow and brand themselves, and yeah, so I needed to design a solution for them to help them put themselves out there and increase their reachability. So the first thing was to make a website. So we made a website, a static website, where it has the content library. So if you don't know what a content library, basically if you are somebody who's on social media on different platforms, you don't want to rely on a single platform to host all your content, but you would want a website that is a condensed format of all your content that is distributed across different platforms. So that if somebody looks up your name, if you do search engine optimization for a website, they can have various means to watch your content, and even if a social media site is down or something, you still have a reference for your videos, and you don't have to rely on one social media platform which you are located. In this case, is on YouTube. So what he wants for his YouTube channel is, since he's mostly focused on current affairs and he speaks more on those issues, he would want to cater for the readers that want to actually read rather than just maybe they're on the go, they want to read instead of watching a whole video. So there's going to be a section for the page that has certain video uploads and content summary, and the whole idea behind the website is also to allow them to sell merchandise to their customers. So I'm also going to link on the website a Shopify, and the Shopify is going to be linked to the products that he's going to be selling. So if that's something that you're also interested in, you can stick around and I'll show you how to do it. So the other benefit of having a content library based on your own landing page, your own profile on your website, is if you ask your subscribers, let's say you wanted to plug in a product in your video, you don't want to see him come off as please buy my product because you're my subscriber kind of thing. But if you had a website whereby people can actually see your product for themselves, see the reviews, it can be much more beneficial, and it doesn't seem as if you're trying to bait your viewers into you're doing product placement in a way, since you're my viewer, you need to buy something to support me. But rather, if you had a website whereby they can view your products independent of the video, that can also bring more sales to whatever you're selling. And usually viewers don't turn on their notification bells. Excuse me. So whenever you launch a video, you can have an emailing service whereby you can people through your website can subscribe to a newsletter. So the newsletter is going to be basically the benefits. You can have whatever you want in the newsletter, but basically in this solution that I gave them is to have the newsletter telling the viewer about a new video that they just posted and what the video is going to talk about, so that they can not rely on YouTube notifications, because you don't have any guarantee that all your subscribers are going to see those notifications, because most of the times people do turn off their notifications, or that they forget to turn on the subscriber bell icon. So yeah, that is one other use for the website and the content library and the emailing service. So for the website, for the client, is stored on AWS S3 bucket, which is better for static website hosting. In our case, we don't have dynamic content, but we are going to be updating. So I'm going to also employ a CloudFront distribution so that we just deliver our content in an effective way. And I'm going to be talking more on how I'm going to be doing these steps later on in later videos. But yeah, there's also the Route 53 with the hosted zone, and I'll also go into more about that in detail, so you can stick around and watch out for the next video. It's going to go more in detail. And for the automation part of the whole implementation, I'm going to have my local files that I'm editing with VS Code, and they are linked to my GitHub repository, which has a GitHub workflow. So the workflow has already been given my AWS credentials for my S3 bucket, and there's an S3 bucket policy that allows those GitHub actions to be completed. So whenever I update, or they post a new video, or they update their blog, I can just write the HTML files or the JavaScript or CSS, and the whole changes will be propagated to the S3 bucket to CloudFront automatically, because I have this whole solution set up for them. So yeah, if that's something that's interesting to you and you would want to see how I'm going to do this, just stick around, subscribe, like, share, and yeah.